In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new table on Airtable. If you're new to this versatile platform, or even just looking for a quick refresher on table creation, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and get you started. First, we'll need to open Airtable, your go-to destination for building the apps you need. Head over to the Airtable website. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. Locate the sign in button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, feel free to take a moment to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Airtable homepage. This is the central hub where you can access everything from your workspaces to recent bases. From here, you'll want to navigate to your desired workspace or project. You can think of a workspace in Airtable as a folder where you organize related projects. Now we need to select a base to work with. In Airtable, a base can be seen as a single project or workflow. Click on an existing base, or if you're creating from scratch, select the option to start a new one. When you click on the base, it opens and displays all current tables associated with that particular project. Your next task is to focus on adding a new table. Look for the option to add or import a table. It's usually indicated by a plus sign or labeled tab. Clicking this will give you a variety of options to create your table. For our purpose today, simply select the Start from Scratch option. This is ideal if you're building your table with specific data input in mind from the ground up. Once you've clicked Start from Scratch, a brand new clean slate table emerges, ready for any data you choose to input. At this stage, you're encouraged to customize the table to your preferences. You can adjust names, change column types, and start adding records. This flexibility ensures your new table can precisely fit your needs, whether for tracking, cataloging, or any other application. Let's quickly recap. We accessed the Airtable website, signed in, navigated to our chosen workspace, selected a base, and then proceeded to add a new table starting from scratch. Congratulations, you've successfully created a new table on Airtable. Now it's all set for populating with data and customized to align with your goals. Creating tables efficiently in Airtable can greatly enhance your productivity and data management capabilities. So take some time to explore the features and options available to you. Thank you for joining me today, and happy table making on Airtable.